Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow camera access on Snapchat. So before you launch your Snapchat application, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat application by going to your Google Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat, and then if you see an update button, you have to click that one, wait for a couple of seconds. Once updated, you're gonna open your Snapchat. Now, as you can see here, if you can still see your camera or other features here on your Instagram, probably there's something that you have to adjust on your settings. So go to your phone settings and then scroll down here and look for app management. Tap this one. Click app list, and then here you have to scroll down and look for Snapchat, or you can search Snapchat right here. Tap this one. And then what you're going to do next is you have to look for permissions. And then under permissions, you have to make sure that your camera or even other features here are under allowed. One of the reasons why you cannot have access to your camera while using Snapchat, it's because you have denied the access. To allow this one, you have to click and then tap allow, and you should see this camera under allowed here. That means you allowed Snapchat to use your camera and other features such as microphone, phone storage, and so on. So if you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.